should mess your feet up more often. Oh.
Just for these purposes, huh?
There's a slope.
Yeah, I know. It's bumpy.
I'm not gonna let you go. Hoping that I've booked the flight for the right day this time. Yeah. Fingers crossed. We're taking the quick way back to Bangkok this time and Cambodia. Aine, after a near-death experience, this nice lady's brought her a wheelchair. Oh, is that better, sweetie?
That is better.
It's like a bovril. She needs painkillers. Lots of painkillers. Yeah. Shredded. Looks like Freddy Krueger's face. They do that. So we get to go on the plane first. First time ever. Special. How do you feel about going on first one?
Pretty good.
Front of the plane.
Oh, is it still recording? I didn't know it was recording this.
She's a little cutie, isn't she? First on the plane. Front of the
That's your
book.
bag. Yeah.
It's your bag.
My bag's in front of yours. Yeah. Because you
I didn't tie her straps. I'm a bad man. How you feeling?
I feel okay. Just sleepy and tingly.
How do you feel about being on the front of the plane? First one?
Never been first.
Highest chance of dying.
Is that right?
If you crash. Yeah. Nose down in it. Thailand cannot sing the praises enough. As soon as we got to the counter, Aine got a wheelchair. First on the plane, then followed. Squirrel! But yeah, amazing. Thailand cannot.
The next morning.
So with all good intentions yesterday, we were going to vlog getting into Bangkok and do a few more shots in Bangkok. But to be honest, as soon as we got off the flight and got to Matilda's, we crashed out. Matilda got home, went for food, crashed out again. So yesterday was a bit of a write-off. So I don't know how I'm going to work this. Add them together maybe. But it's the next day, we're on our way to Cambodia. We're going to take a minibus to Trat, which is on the border.
A regular big bus, not a minibus. A big bus to Trat, a minibus to Hat Lek.
We're taking a big bus to Trat and then a minibus to Hat Lek.
And then walking. And then hopefully taxi.
Hopefully the digs in Cambodia are going to send us a taxi. So the first stop on our trip to get to the Cambodian border, we're at Trat. So you can get to Cambodia from a couple of different land borders. Trat is one of them, it's the southernmost border, and that gets us to Sihanoukville. About 5 hours on the bus from Bangkok. Wasn't too bad. When you get to Bangkok, if you want to go to Cambodia, take the 999 bus. Cost below. It's great. You get a little snack, good aircon, decent enough seats. It's not like the spaceships in Korea, but it's nice enough. So now we're in Trat bus station, just getting ourselves ready to try and find a minibus to take us to Hat Lek. And then from Hat Lek, we're going to get across the border, run the gauntlet of visa touts, and then hopefully, if we've timed it right, the accommodation will have sent us a taxi. Very, very posh. But yeah, still got a few hours to go. So we made it to the border. Instantly, as soon as you get off the bus, you're swamped by dudes wanting to see you in taxis.
Okay.
So whatever you do, don't forget to fill out your departure card before you rock up. Otherwise you're stood there with your bags on. Alright. I've not seen one movie.
No, me neither.
Who's one? Huh? Oh, we're good.
You go for the where?
Where
Where you go? In what name the place you stay?
I can't remember the name of the place.
we have a place there.
Tatay
No.
Rimbalut? Not Rimbalut?
I don't know the name of the place, dude. We've just got a driver waiting.
Yeah, I know that. I will wait for you.
Cambodia.
Yes.
Thank you. Oh, it's been a long time since I've been to Cambodia. How's your feet?
A little bit sore. This isn't the most even of surfaces to walk on.
No, it is not.
That's okay.
Okay, so for a short walk across what do you call this? A middle zone. Is this Cambodia or is Thailand?
Neutral.
Neutral bit.
Where is
Immigration. We need immigration. Mate, yep. How come? Good? Alright.
Thank you.
That's yours. Okay, travel junkies, if you like what I do here on this channel, don't forget to subscribe for all the latest travel vlogs, drone shots and adventure movies. You can catch the latest episode here and you can subscribe here. If you have any questions about the places visited in the vlog, the equipment used or anything to do with traveling in general, drop a comment below. Thanks again for watching and I'll see you Groovy Cats next time.